You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly in English. If you want to learn more names, more vocabulary, including from the law, legal terms that are very confusing, stay tuned, because I've got more videos for you. They both pronounced mean here, alright? So you got a top word, which is a legal term meaning middle or intermediate or intervening, mean. And the bottom word means somebody who is kind of evil, who's bad, mean, right? Same pronunciation, E sound, mean. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.